So how do you make money online in Azerbaijan? In this video I'm going to show you 3 ways you can actually start making up to $100 per day online from Azerbaijan or anywhere in the world. So first of all, we have Upwork here. So what you do is you sign up for an account that is for free. So I will have a link for upwork.com in the description below. And so what you do is you sign up for Upwork, and then you come here and search for something that you love to do. Let's search for, maybe you love to do website design, so let's search for maybe website, just website. So whatever talent you have, maybe you are doing data entry, maybe you are typing, maybe you are doing graphic design. So I love doing web design, so you search for web design here, and then after searching you come here, scroll down, and here on client information you want to click on payment verified, so that you can only see those jobs, those freelance jobs that are available for you, that have already, so these people who already have verified their payment, so they already have paid to Upwork, so that when you do the work that they need, then you get paid instantly. So this one, let's look for something. So developer needed for a fintech website redesign project, so they are going to pay you $500 to redesign their website. This one was posted 7 minutes ago. And this one, set up a WordPress website for $200. This one was posted 7 minutes ago. So what you want to do is click on this one. So if this is something that you want, then you click on it, and then you read what they want you to do. So their price is $200, and then you click on submit. Then you submit your proposal, telling them why you are the right person to apply for the job. The next one is Udemy. So on Udemy is a website that allows you to host your courses for free, by the way. So let's example, like you are maybe a biology teacher, you teach biology, so you have students, maybe you have students that do biology, so you might create a course for them. Since people are staying at home, you might create a course for them. For example, let's search for maybe biology. Let's search for biology right here. Let's look for a course, maybe reproduction. Let's click on this one. Let's open a calculator right here. So this course costs $19. It's on a discount right here, so let's actually $20 times, so it is 4,109 students, 4,109 students. So this person has actually made $82,180 from this course, from actually creating this one course. And let's say something like how to make a website. So we have this course at the top. Let's open it. So this course usually costs also $19. So let's open our calculator here. $20 times how many students? 44,075. So this course is made $881,500, almost $1 million, with only one course here. So this course is only 1 hour of video and then only 2 articles. So you can also make your course whatever your talent is, and make sure that you are doing something legit that also people want. So to make sure that you get people to enroll with this course, you can also share your course here. You can also share it on Facebook, Twitter, and you can also maybe make a YouTube video. So if you're making YouTube videos or you're on social media, you can then share it with your friends and telling them you have a course on Udemy. Then the third one on how you can make money online is Bluehost. That is a web hosting service. So what if you do is you click on affiliate here, and then you sign up and after signing up you'll be given a link, a custom link that will let you share it on websites, share it on blogs, on your website, on your YouTube channel, maybe on social media with your friends. So if you have so like for example, someone is looking for the best web hosting, or maybe you can just make a video on the best web hosting in Azerbaijan, and then you put a link in the description of your video or maybe on your blog, and then if people click it and pay and buy web hosting, then you get paid $65. So let's say for example you have, so this is $65 per sale that you have made. So $65 maybe times the, so let's say your video has got 1,000 views, so and out of 1,000 views only 100 people have signed up for Bluehost, you get $6,500. so that is the one of the best ways to make money online. So if you want to learn how to make money online, if you want to learn web design, subscribe to this YouTube channel. So I'll also put affiliate links in the description below, and also some of the helpful links in the description. So if you have made any money online, so comment below if you have made any money online, and if you have not, are you still looking to make money online? I will see you in the next video.